Students, good morning. Online students, am I audible? Okay. Students, do you need cooler? Yes, sir. Stand up. Green t-shirt, stand up. Green t-shirt. Unchu, sir. Stand up. Green t-shirt. Black t-shirt, huh? Tell me the attributes of data frame. Then I'll keep the cooler. Come on. Switch off. Now, CSV file not uploaded yesterday, sir. I uploaded evening time. Evening time I uploaded. Actually, I forget, students. Because you are forgetting subject now, like that I forget uploading that. Okay, anyhow, don't feel for that. Okay, it's my mistake. I need to upload, but I forget. I uploaded evening time because some 6 o'clock students said that, sorry, you did not upload. Then I uploaded. Might be you did not see that. You just see once it is available. Okay. So do that homework today. Not an issue. So now we'll go for what? One case study I will discuss. Can keep it in the resume also. Go to Pandas Exclusive and Google Play Store. And one more also I made it ready. That is RBI data state-wise population income that you take care. And this is your population income is given there. State, your type, that is a state type, region, and party in that 2020, 2000, 2011, some states economy is given. We try to do that. So let us move to the further about today, Google Play Store. So the Google Play Store, the data analysis, you can keep in the resume very happily and mention it. So come in. So for that, I need to go for data set. As you already know the data set, right? Come on, why are you not saying that? Are you okay? Boys are feeling something dull. Any problem? Friends are there in underground, sir. You unnecessarily made us to come to the class like that. Are you thinking like that? Don't think like that. So coming to the class is most important, students. So data frame, under that data set, I will take here Google Play Store. I'll copy into this project. And here I will place it. In this place, I will place it. Let's watch the CSV file, which is available with me, which is containing, first try to understand the column names. First try to understand the column names. App name is there. App name. Then after that, app name is available. So the app name is containing, the app name which is containing photo editor, candy camera, grid, scrapbook, something like that. If you started reading, it will take 2 to 3 days because there are 10,000, so many are there. So coloring book, some is there. Sketch, draw, paint, pixel draw, like that. There are so many number of things are there. In that, there are so many number of things are there, students. You go on reading that. Once you go to the home, you go on do this. And there are so many number of things are there. It's not 130, 120, something like that. There are so many apps are there. Okay, now? So go to this place. Here I am going to take so many number of apps are there. If you come down, there are almost what? 10,000 horoscope, 10,842 things are available. Understand, students? Out of that, you need not to read it all. You need not to worry about it. And nobody will ask, tell me all the app names. You are doing, you are an analyzer. You are supposed to do analysis on that. Next, after that, students, there is another type of thing is available. Category is available. Category. category coming. And next after that, rating is also there, rating, and how that app rating you are going to take. And many analysis questions will be there on the rating part. And next is one more is available that is called reviews. This is on that also many reviews question will be there. Which app is having more reviews? And next is called what? And you will do this left hand left finger because we trained like you in the NumPy and pandas. Size of that app. So when you download the app from Google Play Store, the app size you are taking and how many people installs, 10,000 plus and 5 lakhs plus and 50 lakhs plus and 5 crores plus, something like that. So something like that it is available. So that is called what? Installs. And next is available called what? Type of application. Free na, paid na, what are those? Free is given. Free na, paid na, that kind of things. And the price. Once it is a free type, no price will be there. And no price is given. Content it is available. Content rating. So everyone content rating. Teen means what? The sketch, the children. You are not a children, okay? You are everyone. So everyone, some teen is there. And like this, there is some teen, everyone, something like this is there. Now next is called generous. So generous, art designing, something is available there. Art designing, something is there. Next is after that, what you know, last update. When they updated that the date of that updation of the app. And next is called what you know, current version of the app. Every app will have version or not. Numerical ID, you know the meaning of version. And Android version, all these things, These are the column names of what? Data set of Google Play Store. Understand? Online students, carefully try to follow. So, Nasrat Khan, sir, the exam which is conducted in your classes is online, offline. When you will be, certificate will be given so that I can upload it on it in linked profile. Seema, certificate will be given by Naresh IT. And be careful, any certificate which is given by JNTU, Usmania University, NIT, IIT, Triple IT, any certificate is there. Certificate is, in my view, it is only 0.1% only. 99.99% is your talent. Your talent. You take 10 plus 2 after that, intermediate students you see who studied in some corporate colleges, 992 marks, they will get it. 992 marks. And when you ask any trigonometry deep question, they can't answer it. 992 means what? It's a gem. 992 means it's a great person. You ask one trigonometry transformation of trigonometry question you ask, they don't answer. Why? This is called a buttified. Of course, I'm not commenting. Majority of I'm commenting it. Marks is not important. Percentage is not important nowadays. Your talent matters a lot. Okay, now whether the certificate issued by X institute or Y institute or Z institute, it is only the paper. It is only the paper. If you put it into the rain, that letters will go. But put your brain in the rain, Python remains same, pandas remains same, everything remains same. This is what is my advice. Right? Come to the point of it. So, yeah, Sai, my dear student. Sai is my favorite student. I also got 920, but I know nothing. Sai, please don't worry, my dear student. When Sai says something, I feel like anything. Because Sai will speak fact like me only. He got 920. He's saying, I know nothing. I feel very much pain for it. Sai also will speak like me only. Okay, Sai, no problem. Sai, take care. Read Python well. Meet me once when you come to Hyderabad. Now, come to the point back because I'm seeing from beginning onwards now. I'm seeing from beginning onwards. Sai is speak fact only like me only. Okay. Now going to the place, let us start these are the columns. So start your project scenarios now. So the questions which are available with me, the analysis questions is, they gave some questions and you can prepare n number of questions from that. You can prepare n number of questions from that. So now I will take it. Okay, Ma Pooja. All students can meet me when you come to Hyderabad. So all are welcome. Nothing is hidden here. Okay. Come to this place. Now read the Google Play Store data. So got it. So data analysis on what is this? Google Play Store. Google Play Store. So now get the data. So get the data first. So what is the get data now? Get the data frame. Get the data frame data from where? Google Play Store data set. Google Play Store data set. Google Play Store data set. So how do you get it? Import NumPy. NumPy as what? NP. Next import what? Pandas as PD. As PD. Now say this now. Let us go to df is equal to PD dot read underscore CSV. Read underscore CSV of what? Data set. Absolute path, right? I will take this entire thing. I will take this entire thing. So say here and say this entire thing. Here I am writing. Here I will take it like this. Now I'm going to take up. File name is Google Play Store.csv. Google Play Store.csv. Google Play Store dot what? CSV. Right. Got it. Dot CSV. So students, print off what? DF. So you got the data. See app, category, and next rating, size, installs, type, price, and the type and price, content rating, generous, last update, and next is what? Current version, Android version, everything. How many are there? 10,841 and what? 13 columns. 13 columns. Any big data, you can get it. Any big data, you can get it. And you can't see all of them in where? Same place. In horizontally, you cannot say. For that, I will just go for one small setting here, students. Of course, you don't feel that immediately that will not come horizontally. I'll just do one small setting before that. PD dot, what is that? Set underscore option. Set underscore option. What is this now? Display dot max underscore what? Size. Max underscore size or max underscore column size, I think so. Max underscore columns, comma, what, none. So you just go for that. Just go for that. This is the done. Now I'm going to take up. This is my data which is available. Now I want to go for getting information. Let me go to some small discussion here. Online students. So Dhoni, MS Dhoni, my dear student, I will explain. Please give me until I complete my task. Then I will explain to you. In this place, I am having some small questionnaire. So come on to the point. I prepared step-by-step procedure for you. Step-by-step. Google Play Store analysis. Question number 1, like this. Question number 2, answer. Question number 2, answer. Like a small kids, how small kids will enjoy the class. I wrote all the steps with the sub steps, with everything I wrote it here. With everything I wrote like a small kids like. You can explain after learning this to any person, right? Let us start with. What is the first one? Display top 5 rows of data set. Don't take much time. Answer. Good. Go to the place and before that, some statistical information I want to get it. I want to find out how many columns are there, what is the memory, all those things I want. What is the function name? df.info. df dot what? Info. Info. You know info function? That will give you. That will give you. Come on now. How many columns are there? And what is the not null values? Count, D type, everything is given. You know now? So the entries are there. How many entries are there? Everything. Columns are this many. App, category, rating, reviews, size, installs, type, price, content rating, generous, last updated, current version, Android version. And whose data type is called what? App, object type, rating. They are giving in the form of what? Float. And these are having what? Object. But I'm going to convert some of the data types into my own int type, float type, bool type. I will convert. Which function I will use? As type. Very good. As type. Who said? Good. As type. Nice. I will convert into int 32, float 64. As type, you will use it. Nice. Now I'm going to go for another kind of thing. This is information is coming. This is for your clarity purpose. I'm just saying this now. Enter into the app. Enter into the app. Display top 5 rows of the data set. How do you display the top 5 rows of the data set? I will keep it and one by one I will go for explaining you. This is the question number 1. How do you get the top 5 rows? Come on. df dot head of, come on, 5. You can say 5. Or you can say simply called what? Without. This will give you top 5 rows. See students, all of you, carefully try to observe app name, category, rating, review, size, installs, type, price, content rating, generous, last updated. And next is called a current version. To see that other thing, am I getting or not? This scroll bar is coming because of what? Set option kind of thing will give you the scroll bar. Did you understand? If you don't set the scroll bar, you'll be getting into what? Next line. That is the best approach for you to use what? Set option. When so many columns are there, go for what? Spell out all of you. Tell me the code. Remember, but if I pd dot pd in pandas, there is a function name called what? Set option. Display max columns and none. None. So that will be showing to you what? Maximum all the columns will be shown so that you can do with what? Scroll bar. Are you following? Yes. Let us move to the further. Same question number 1 only. I want to see only 3. Display question number 3. Display top 3 rows of data set. What I will use it? 3. Online students, please respond more. Quickly you need to respond. The moment I ask the question, you need to answer my question. Is it 3 things are coming or not? And moreover, here I am going to get it. This kind of all the apps are available. Last part of it is available. Very nicely it is shown. Understand, ma? Okay. Please visit the data set. And I wrote it. I am uploading this entire project analysis. I wrote to you like a small child. Like display top 5 rows, head of. Display top 3 rows. Will go for what? Head of 3. 2 rows, 1 row, whatever you like it. I wrote it. Second question. Come on. Check last 3 rows of data set. What is that? That's all. That's all. Go to the second question. Go to the second question. Go to the check. What is the next question, ma? Check last 3 rows of data set. How do you write it? df dot tail of 3. Tail of 3. That will show the last 3. 10,840 is there or not? 839, 838. Last 3 rows are there. Last 3 rows are coming. If you want to get the last five rows, I will go for what? Just a tail of 3. I will go for it. 3. I will go for what? Just you don't write anything. You don't write anything. All the 5 rows are coming or not? Yes. So 4, 39, 38, 37, 36. Very easy, nothing difficult. So go to the place. Next step. Find the shape of our data set. That is the number of rows and number of columns. What is the attribute? Shape of. number of rows. You can print. Already we discussed it. Shape of what? First one, second one, tuple format will come. First one will give you what? Number of rows. Second one will give you simple. See that second answer here. Bottom 5 rows, tail of and a tail of this. And see this, find the number of apps in Google Play Store and columns. Number of apps means what? Rows. Number of columns means what? Number of columns is nothing but in tuple second argument. See that df of shape will give you a tuple format. In the tuple, I will get 0th index is rows, and this will give you number of columns. So go to that. I will carry this third question and I will try to print it. Go to that place. If that is given like that, you will be given like this data set is given. You need to start that. They have given a question. For that, you need to write the analysis type of statements. So now I will go forward. df dot what? Shape. df dot shape. So there I will get it here 10,841 plus 13. At the same time, you can find out in the same place, you can find. What is this now? Find. Come on. Number of what? Apps. Number of apps is equal to df dot shape of 0. 0. Come on. What is that now? Number of columns. Number of what? Columns in each app. In each app is what? Is equal to df dot shape of 1. 1. You will get it. Shape of. So that is nothing but what? Index. So here we are going to get it. 10841 is called app, number of apps. 13 columns are available in each app. Are you following? Yes. How do you find the column names? Display the column names. Display the column names. Display the column names of the app, of all the apps, of all the apps. Come on. df dot, yes, columns. df dot columns, you will get it. Index, app name, category name, all of them. If you want to print that app name, there are for I in df dot columns, df dot what? Columns, and print of what, I, you can say I. All the app names, column names are printed. Are you following me? Simple. Next up, so find the shape of it. Third question is shown here. It's a very simple for you. Next, third, fourth one, get the information about our data set like total number of rows, total number of columns, data types of each column, and next what? Memory requirement that I already said in the beginning itself. Which function? Info of. Info of. Very regularly asking question. You take any part of analysis, first these questions are common. So that you can do very, very easily. So this part I am going to keep it. Question number 4. And here I am going to take up. There I am going to write it. So written something like this. And here I will try to write it. How do I write it? df dot info. Info of. Already you have written it. The memory management total one is taking what? 1.1 plus MB it is taking. The data type of each and everything. D types. Float 64 one column. Object is taking 12 columns. Totally 13 columns. Out of that, one is a float. Rest of them are what? Object type. Are you able to follow? Yes. Next, go to the next part of it. Next part of it. Get the overall statistics about the data frame. Get the overall statistics about the data frame. Yes. Come on, fast. I will use which function? Describe of. df dot. What is this now? Describe of. Describe of. Which will give you describe function works on what? Numerical columns. Numerical columns. If you want to go for other columns also, you can get it. As far as this is concerned, you will get this only on where? Rating part only will come. On other things, it is not going to come. On rating only it is coming, but for other things it is not giving. So count, mean and standard deviation, minimum and max it is giving, and it is not going to give you other kind of things. So I'm going to say what? It's not only on numerical columns to go for what? Other columns also. One extra parameter you need to pass in describe. That is nothing but what? Include df dot what? Describe of what? Include is equal to all or something true is there. I will say, let us go to this place. Observe it. Come on, what is this now? df dot describe gives a descriptive statistical information only on numerical columns. So get the statistical information on Google Play Store apps is called what? Descriptive statistics. So df dot describe, it gives descriptive statistical information only on numerical columns. But we want to go for what? df dot describe. What is the argument, keyword argument? Include is equal to what? All. All means other types also, not only gives descriptive statistical information of what? All columns. So this I am going to write it. This I am going to write it. Here I will get this part and I will get this question number 5. This is applicable only on numerical columns. So here I am going to apply applicable only on which columns? Numerical column names, numerical columns only, but not on what? Non-numerics, non-numerical columns, but not on non-numerical columns, non-numerical columns. So coming to this place, now I'm saying include is equal to all. Include is equal to all. So include is equal to all. What is this now? Include not defined. Double equal to. Include is equal to all. So this is going to come. So here it is going to be available. Single equal to you need to write. Include is equal to all. Double equal to is for a comparison purpose. But we are saying all. So following. Thinking somewhere. I think you are thinking somewhere. Comfortable. Don't think anywhere. Now include is equal to what? All. So gives descriptive statistical information of all. Coming to this place and see the students. App count is coming or not? App is which type? Object type. Madhubavalu, app is which type? Object type. That will give you what? Count, unique, top, something we said already in the previously. So we said to you, count, unique, top, frequency, mean, median, that are all fall for what? These are for what purpose? These are for numerical columns. These are called what? Non-numerical columns. I already said we discussed it. Count, number of app count, unique. Out of that, some unique apps are there, 9,660. And at top, right? Something is there, ROBLOX. Frequently coming is what? 9. So category, all of them are going to come here. Some nans are there, reviews are there. All sorts of information is given here. You try to follow. Some descriptive meaning is there. Content rating and everything. You need not worry about anything. Depends on my question. You have to 10,841 values. If you want to read, it is difficult for you or not. But you can locate any value with your subject. With your subject, you can locate any value. Did you understand this? Go. Next, I'm going to take up. I hope you are understanding. Include is equal to what? All. Now, some difficulty will start now. Come on, look at the next one. Come on. Total number of app titles contains astrology. There are some application names which contains called what? Astrology. Go for that. You check it out. Astrology. Some names are called astrology. df dot. Suppose if you want to have to test it in the same cell, you can test it. Head of what? Head of what? Some 10 you say. What is printed here? some 10 rows are printed or not. In that somewhere else there is a concept, there is a meaning called what? Astrology will be coming. So if anything is there, you can go for what? Some 20 you say, 20. Some 20 you say. Somewhere else there is some astrology, maybe it is available here. Some art and design is coming. Next is called what, you say some values. So app type, app name, anywhere else, this is still showing art and all those things. There is some values which are available on the name called what? Astrology. So you just go to our analysis part. What is this now? Get the total number of apps, title with what? Astrology. That we already discussed later. Suppose my name is containing name. There are lakhs of names are there. Indian population contains lots of name. I want to find the name of the people which contains Sharat. Sharat. Will I see who is having Sharat and all? I never bother about it. DF of what I will write? Names. Simply, you are a programmer. DF of what? Names. Double equal to what? Sharat. That means you are looking for starting with Sharat. For example, starting with Sharat. Suppose, for example, Anil Sharat, Pandey Sharat, something Rosam Sharat. The name contains Sharat. Suppose you take your mobile in contact list. There is a name called what? Kumar. Anil Kumar, Sharat Kumar, something like that. Will be there or not? In the name, there is a word called what? Sharat. Or in the name, there is a word called what? Astrology. In a sentence, in an application name, starts with means what? It has to start with what name? Astrology. Ends with astrology means what? Ends with astrology. But I'm talking astrology word in the app. Are you following? Starts with means starting astrology. Ends with what? Ends with astrology. But I'm talking about in the app name, there is an astrology word is there. That is what is called a function called contains. Spell out. Contains. Contains returns true. Contains returns true if the specified word present in that application. Did you understand? Right. Go to that. Some of the international batch did not understand. Let us go to the place. S is equal to something like Anil Kumar, and this is the one. S dot what? Starts. S dot what? Starts with. S dot what? Starts with. What is this? Kumar. I am saying Kumar. Returns what? False. S dot ends with. S dot ends with. What is this now? False. S dot contains. S dot what? Contains. S dot contains. So it is going to be called what? Contains. This is not there in where? STR. But when you go to our data frame as we already seen in our class, series object we are taking, series dot str dot, we called some functions or not? We called something, some name we called. Df of what I will take today? Name. I will take what here? Str dot what? Contains. Did you understand? Data frame taking in what? Str dot what? Contains. That too, astrology is going to contain capital letter astrology is there. But in that, what is there? For example, in one of the app, it is containing what? Astrology is small also will be there. Astrology capital will be there. ASTROLOGE. Capital S may be there, small s may be there. Any of the case may be there. I want to take only the sound called what? Astrology. Maybe capital letter, maybe small letter or whatever it is. That time I need to use contains. Ignore the case. Ignore the case. Are you getting? Contains takes a parameter called what? Ignore the case. Astrology, comma what? Ignore the case. Ignoring the case means what? Astrology in caps, astrology in small, astrology in mixed case. Are you okay? So, what is the difference between starts, ends, contains? Starts means first letter starts. Ends, ending with ends. Contains means what? In the middle of my app name, there is a contains. Online students, coming to the point back. Here I am going to talk about it. Come on, all of you. What is this now? Find the apps contains what? Astrology. How do you find? See, I am telling to you, how do you analyze? I am giving the tips for you. I wrote it. First, what do you need to do? On which one it is applying? App name. App means what? I need to know the name of the column or not. For you to understand, I am going to give you first to find out what? Column names. For your testing, I am writing all these things. For your testing process, I am writing all these things. Try to move to the same place. Try to move to the same place. Df dot what? Columns. So you are understanding on which name? Okay. Then you go for what? What I am writing? App. The same thing you copy. Same thing you copy. Don't do anything on your own. What I am getting? All the app names I am getting. Are you getting me? All the app names I am getting. See the word called what? Astrology. In one of the place, astrology will be there or not? It is showing 1, 2, 3, 4 and a dot, dot, dot says what? It is not showing so on. What is the name here, ma? Astrology. So that word I will take it. Come on now, I will take it. What I will write it? Double equal to what? Astrology. Astrology. Say what is coming? Boolean array is coming. Boolean array. You know Boolean array, correct? Yes. Now I am going to write it what? Df dot LOC of, you can write it. You can write it. Are you getting that name or not? Yes. Now I am going to write it. Df dot LOC. Something is not coming over there. Let us go back to this example and see. First app names. Display the app names or not. After that, it is going to contain what? Find the app names. Contains a word called what? Astrology. How do you get it? Df dot apps dot str dot what? Contains astrology. Gives what array? Boolean array. Go for this part, you say. Go for this part. Here I am going to write it. Write like this. It is going to give you which array? Appa. Yes, app. So see this. It is going to give you what? One place there is a true or not? Yes. Because you need to take that exact word. Right? In that, I need to find out what? A Boolean array is coming. For that, I need to find what? Pass the Boolean array to whom? Data frame object. The same thing I am passing. This entire Boolean array, whatever you got it, you pass it to whom? Df. It is what here? Case sensitive. Case sensitive. Go to that place. Go to that place. I am going to pass to whom? Df once again. In the same place, I am doing changes. I am giving you what? This entire chart I am going to submit to you. I am going to do. Like that, you practice it. Now see what is printed here. Come on, what is this now? Horoscope daily, Zodiac horoscope. And what is this? Astrology. Next is called what? This is available at where? 1570 app number. Next is what? Astrology min thin. Something is written. 1592. One is called I horoscope 2018 daily horoscope at the rate what? Astrology 10840. These are the app names. Contains what? Astrology. Find the number of apps starts that or contains. What will pass it? You see, ma, either you pass like that. If you want any case sensitive to ignore, are you following me? Case is equal to false means what? Ignore the case. I am writing here. Ignore the case. I am writing ignore. Ignore the case. Ignore the case sensitivity. You just try to catch this word and try to follow. Here I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to write it. It is going to give you what? App. So this is app, A capital. Okay, no problem. App. So you are going to get it what? Same thing maybe. This many only will be available. If at all any small astrology is there, right case is equal to false. That will give you what? Small astrology related names also. Are you able to follow? So how do you find the length of it? Number of apps. So here I am writing some x is equal to what is this now? Ln of. So now I am going to contain print number of apps. Number of apps contains a word, what? Astrology. And one small thing, if you found like this, you have to keep it in permanent. Number of apps are what? 3. Getting or not? Yes. Go to this place and try to take it. Exactly if you want to pass it. Here it is called what? Apps. App I will write it. I hope you are following, guys. So this will give you the number of things. See the question now. Find the name of the apps. Contains what? Astrology. Names we find and find number of apps also we find. Online students, is it clear for all of you? Let us, number of apps are what? 3. Go to our questionnaire now. Go to the next question. What is this question now? Got it. Find average app rating. App rating average means what? Right. So here which column you are dealing with? Rating. Rating or not? So this, how do you solve it? In the step-by-step process, I explain. First find the columns. Which column? Rating. After, how do you get the rating values? DF of what? Rating. DF of rating. Dot, what you will apply? Mean of you will get it. That mean of will give you what? Average rating of everything. So let us see this now. Question number 7. Come on, apply. Find the average app rating of Google Play Store. Find the step number 0. How do you solve it? Find the column name on which we are working. What is that? Df dot columns gives you what? All column names. So go to that place and this I will take up. This question I will take up. Question number 7. Analysis question number 7. Df dot. What is this now? Columns. So columns you'll be getting. What is my column name? Rating. I will take it here. Df of what now? Rating. Same thing I will write it. Same word you take it and that you write as this. Don't type anything on your own. So you will be getting what? All rating things are coming. All rating things are coming or not? Yes. Some of them contains nan. Some of them contains numerical values. Everything is available. Go to the place. Now see students, we got the column names. Get all the app ratings. How do you apply? Df dot ratings. Gives all numerical values of what? Rating. Find what? Mean of rating. Called what? Average app rating. And this will give you what? Mean of. So on that part, you go forward, apply what? What is that? Mean. So mean of. That will give you what? Average rating. So here you can take it. Average rating AVR is equal to, you can write it. Average, come on, what is this now? Average app rating. Average app rating of Google Play Store is equal to, what is that now? AV, average rating. So you are going to get 4.199, etc. Are you able to follow? Find the column names here. Just layman, find the column names. On which column name you are working, get that particular data. On that you apply what? Name. Next I'm going to apply, find the total number of unique category. Important. Unique category. That indicates definitely some type of what? Duplicate apps are also there. Duplicate apps are also there. How do you, which one I am working with? Category. So find out that word itself. in that question, there is definitely one column name is there. Same. Find the column names. Find the column names on which we are working. Df dot columns gives all the columns. Take which one? Category. Category. Let me take this question. I'll show you this part. So here I'm writing df dot columns. These are all your practicing purpose. What is this now? Where is that? Category. This I will take it. Immediately go to that place. Immediately go to that place and you will write what now? Rating. Rating you will write. Correct or not? So you will write category. So single quotes or double quotes, one type only you write it. So here I will write it. Here I will write it. All categories are coming here. These categories, what I want to find? Unique category I want to find. Unique category. See, art and design, is it the same thing coming many times or not? Family related things are coming. So something like that it is coming. I want to find the unique columns. Okay. Now get all the values of unique category. Yes, you found out that. You found here or not? Yes, you found. What you are applying now? Get the unique values of category. Already you know now? N unique. Already we discussed, right? Gives number of unique values of category. So I found that 34 types. Now try to carry this entire thing. The function name is called what? N unique. N unique. If you carefully think about it, and you can easily get the outputs. You can easily get the outputs. So here I'll call this now. I will call this part. I'll call the same thing. I'll find this now. Here I will write it. Dot what? N unique I will call. N unique I will call. So I will say something like unique values I will write it. Here I will write the answer as what? So number of what? Number of unique category. So I will write what? Unique category. Total number of unique category. Total number of unique category is equal to what? UV. So you'll be getting what? 34, you will get it. 34 unique values are there. Understand? Fine. So this is how you find which function we are finding. Column names you find, values you get it, then apply the suitable function on it. And yesterday's class I said append function student, append function, which is not working. This was deprecated on the name of what? Concat. I verified the documentation. It was available up to 1.44. Now it is going to take 2.0 etc. It is taking. Now 1.44 is very long back and 2.0, how you can check it? I already said to you how to check it. PD dot underscore version underscore of. It is called 2.0.03. So append function is deprecated on the name of what? Concat. Concat already we discussed. So that we need not worry about the append function. Is it clear? Right. Let us move to the further. Find a category getting highest average rating. Get a highest average rating. How many categories are there with us? First you try to find out. Categories. Highest family rating, family kind of category. You see family category, medical category, books and reference category, lifestyle category, art and design category. AP people, TS people, Bangalore people, Mumbai people like that, Sydney people, Delhi people like that. How do you make them group? Group by. Understand the question. Find which category getting highest average rating. You have to do what? Group by. So first you do what? Same style, columns. That you already checked or not? You know how to check it. So this is, I'm saying, voluntarily, if you get this kind of questions, anywhere, any place, you have to apply like this. On which place you are going to apply. So you are going to get a category. That category values you take it. That category values you take it. So this I'm going to take up. This we are going to apply. So that you are going to get. So that you are going to get it. So see that you are going to get the category. What you are applying immediately? Columns you are getting. What is this now? df dot group by of category. So I'm going to take this df dot group by of category. Now you are trying to apply. So you try to apply. What is happening? All group by categories are coming. So this is going to print like this. Values are printed. So say what now here? Group by name you can print. Already you know group by returns. Data frame group by object. Group name application. Group name application. You already know. Students, for gn comma what? G info. G info in where? Category. And print of what? gn group name. Group name. I just want to write it. Group name. I'll write here group name. And I'll say here what you know, gn. gn. And next I will say here group info. Group info. So group information. Group information. Below that I will write it what you know, g info. G info I will write it. G info I will write it. And see that now group name is called what? 1.9. It is also one app. Under that group information is called what? This type of things are comes under what? 1.9 app name. Next is called what? Art and design. Under that group information is so many are there. So many are there under that. Next is called what? Like that you see. So many are coming. Next group name is called what? Auto and vehicles. Group information is coming from 49, 50, etc. It is also there up to here. Come down to this place. Next, group name is what? A beauty. Beauty apps. Group information is coming. Like that it is going to come. Next is called what? Reviews, etc. of that apps. Beauty, so many are there because internet people are worrying about beauty. So come to this place. Now here. One more is called what? Group name what? Business. Group information is coming. That apps are coming. So here it is going to come under that. Group name is what? Comics. Group information is coming below. Here you see how many are there. Like that, so many of them are coming here. Next one more is what? Comics also more. So here next group name is what? Communication. That is the group information. Messengers. Next is called Firefox. Reviews. Next content rating. All of them are coming. Group naming, dating, group information. This is underground action plans. So come to the point of it. Group name, education, group information. Under that, maybe less may be there, less, and obviously less. Next is called what? Entertainment, group information. Under that, you see that. Next, group name, events. Like that, it is showing all sorts of data. Are you following? Group name, food and drink. Here also more apps are there. ఇక్కడ కూడా more ఉండొచ్చు. Compulsory there is a more. 100% more is there. So many are there. Next group name, health and fitness. Maybe less, I think so. Right, less only. House and home. Right, also. So next, libraries and demo. Maybe less only. Less only. Next is called a lifestyle. Next, like that. Next is called maps and navigations. Maybe more will be there. Maybe more will be there. Medical. So like this. So you go to, after going to home, you try to see students. So many are there. So many are there. All of them are coming. Last one is called what? It is giving above one. Weather. How many weather applications are there? 82 rows, 13 columns. This is about what? Group by. How many, which group, which kind of applications, everything is given. Now I want to find out what? Getting what? Whose average things I want to get it. I will apply what? Simply. Here I will write it. Dot what? Mean I will write it. Mean I will write it. Dot what? Mean I will write it. Of rating. Yes. So see that. After getting this category, we need to get what? Rating. How do you get the rating of this category? Each category rating I want. How do you get the rating of that? You know, after getting some condition, you are applying what? Some column name you are applying. Rating. Already rating kind of thing is available. Rating. If you take it, rating of that it is going to come. So that rating will be coming and print of that rating and that rating values also for X in where? For X in rating and print of what? Some X you printed. Art and design, Seema, you just come down. Here you see so many 1.9 is an app name. Rating is 19.0. This is going under that group information is printing. So many are coming. Next one is auto and vehicles is a group name whose ratings are coming. Next is a beauty related thing whose ratings are so many. Books and references definitely less. Why? చదువుకునే వాళ్ళు ఎవరు లేరు. So done except you and me. Next is called what? Rating. And this is the one business. See that. Next is called what? Comics. Also more. Next is called what? Communication. Like this. After that, what I will find? You are finding the rating or not? Find the mean rating of every category. How do I write it? This you people are writing. Find the rating of that. So here I will write it. Mean. So you are going to say, come on, start. What is the category? 1.9. What is the rating? 19. Already you have seen individual rating. Art and design, this one. Art and vehicles and beauty. And next is called what? All sorts of category related rating came. Mean rating came. What is our concept? Top ratings. What you will do? Sort values. Here I said, find the highest average rating. How do you find the average rating? Sort, either in ascending or descending. Df dot group by category, rating, mean. What you will do? Sort values. Ascending is equal to what? False. Ascending is equal to false means descending. So go to the place and get this. Because of this, what is happening? Total values are coming in where? So here we are getting in descending order. Top 5, how do you get it? Chuskondi 4.435, 4.389, 4 point like this. Simple students, easy. And what you will do? Dot what? Head off you will do. So if you want descending also, here we get the first entry of the highest average rating. Or group by category of what? Sort values. What is the sort values here? Last entry of what? Highest rating. Are you able to follow? So what you will do now? Here I will get it. Come on to the point back. Here I will apply what? I will apply what here? 0. I will get it. What is this? 19.0. Are you getting? So this is comes under the highest rating. What is our question now? Did you understand the 0, students? 0. What is the 0? First one. Index. 0th index value. Are you following? So suppose if you want to get it, dot what? Head of what? 2. Head of 2. You are getting the category name and event name also you are getting. If I say head of 1, you will be getting what? The 1.9 category is what? 19.0. Are you okay, students? Yes. This is a way how to find out. So you split that query into what? Split the given task into different parts so that you can find out. Okay, now comfortable now? So what are we doing? Each category. That means go for what? Group by. What do you want to find? Rating. What do you want? Average rating. Means what? Mean. Highest means what? Sort the values. What you will do? Ascending off and use what? Head. You can apply what max also you can apply. Max also you can apply. There are a lot of styles are there to get that. This is not only the solution. You can apply total data. What are all the functions are there? Any question is given, you will easily come out of it. Okay, now, shall we move forward? Online students, I'll speak to them. Online students, are you comfortable with this? Come on, fast. Done. So if you want to get it, last and final, the same thing with what I will say. Ascending, I will write it. I will remove this now. I will remove this now. What I will write it? Tail off. Tail off, I will say. Same thing coming or not? Same thing coming. Okay, students, come on now. We got it. Next, done. 10th question, you see. 10th question. See, start. Find the total number of apps having 5-star rating. 5-star rating apps. Find the total number of apps having 5-star rating. Which category you need to work with? Come on. Rating. Ratings. And see in the ratings part. See in the ratings part once. See in the ratings part once. Where is that? Rating here. All of them are having what? 4.1, 4.2, something, something. Somewhere else there is 5 maybe there. You need not to worry about it. With a simple logic, you can just find out. So 5 is there or not, you just go on doing it. Definitely there is one 5 is there. There are some number of 5s are there. Don't waste your time by seeing that. Go for what? 10th question. Come on, analyze. Find the total number of app having having what rating? 5-star rating app. Find the what? Column names. df dot what? Columns. Find the ratings value. Rating value finding or not? And what is my rating condition? Is equal to 5. Gives you which array? Yes. Directly go to the 10th one. I will show you. Go to the 10th one. I'll show you. 10th one. Right, students. df of what? Come on. Rating. Why I am saying this entire thing, you know, rating. So I'm going to show you these are the ratings because you may write spelling mistakes wrong or something. That's why you work with columns. Copy that column name as it is and then try to get it. What I want to get it is equal to what? 5, which will give you what array? Boolean array. Somewhere else there is a true. Which one? 10,837. Will you go through it in Excel sheet? 10,000, where is it? Time waste. Time waste. There is one true is there or not? Pass to whom? df of. df of. What is this now? Giving. There are some apps. Chuskondi akkada. Rating 5.0, 5.0. Comics. Dating. Next. Dating 5.0, 5.0. Game. PUBG game like that. Next, lifestyle like game, family. These are all called what? 5-star rating. How many? 274 rows having what? 5.0. What is our question? Find the total number of app having 5-star rating. If I want, 1 minute, Amma, 1 minute. Of only what if you want? What I want? I want to get what? APP. If I want APP, only APPs. I'm getting the APP names or not? Suppose if I want to get it dot what? Head of. I will get how many? Top 5 apps. Get the first top 5 apps having 5-star rating. Getting or not? Heading of what? 10. 10. I will get what? 10. 329 one app, 612, 615 like that, whatever it is. Are you following this? Now, but our concept is what today? Find the total number of app having 5-star rating. What we will apply now? LEN off. LEN off. So, what is this now? Star 5. Star 5. So, I will write it what? Total number of apps having 5-star. Total number of things having is equal to what? Star 5. Star 5. Star 5. Close. So you are going to get how many? 274. Total number of apps having 5-star rating is equal to what? 274. Go to the place. Here I'm going to write it. See students, finding the things and you are applying that. Df of that, getting that app names and applying what? Get off. Are you getting this? Yes. Easy or difficult? Pandas concept difficult? Pandas apps dealing difficult? Python is difficult. Easy is pandas. Pandas apps are dead easy. Dead easy. Because you know subject. On the subject you are applying. Come on. Find average value of what? Reviews. Important. This is very important. Find the average values of reviews. Go to Excel sheet once. Very important, important question, analysis question. Reviews, sorry, where is the reviews? Yeah, reviews here. Reviews here, reviews. 159, etc. All numerical values are there or not? Yes, all numerical values are there. Easy. Find what? Column names. Yes, what is the column name? Review. Find the review values. Yes, numerical values. Now students, your case, if you look at review type is what? Review type. If you look at object type, it is. Review type is what? Object type. Object type it is. Let us check. That is a very important thing this today. 11th one, important. Take care. Now I'm going to take up this part here. DF of, what is this now? Review. Review. I will take a review. Review or reviews? Review. These are the reviews. Okay. Reviews. Reviews. What I'm going to take it? D type I am checking. Because I want to find average now. Average is possible to go for mean. If you want to apply mean, the data type must be what? Float type or integer type. I'm checking. This is a very danger. Object type. Which type? Because in the beginning analysis part, when I show you now, when I show you info type, review is called a which type? Object type. So on object type, if you call it as which type? Mean type. If you call of mean, you will get value error. Value error will come. So value error came or not? You cannot do it. That's why when you are doing applying this, not D type checking is important. D type. So D type, which is which type? Object type. Now you need to convert into which type? Float type. Float type. Because my values are which type? Numerics only present. Reviews are containing numerics only, but they taken it as what? Object they taken it. But you need to take it as what? Float type you take it. Float type. How do students find the column names, find the review values? We find the numerical values related to what? Reviews. Find the data type of review column, D type of the review of D type, object type. On D type, if we call what? On O type, object type, if we call mean, value error is coming. Convert what? D type of D of review as what? Int or float by using as a type. As a type. Come on. DF of review dot as a type of float gives what error? Value error. Because one of the column contains what? 3.0 M. 3.0 M. M is called what? Millions. That means this M is called what? Alphabet, which you cannot convert into which type? Float type. So you remove this M. 3.0 M replace with what? 3.0. 3.0. Yes or no? How do you replace? DF of what? Review dot what? Replace with what? 3.0 M with what? 3.0. That because for my calculation M is not necessary. You remove and say what? 3.0. That time you convert it. Come on fast. Find the app review. This is you are doing it. Convert it. Go for converting it. So I'm going to my place. Here object type. Convert into which type? Float type. You see what is happening? Key error. Where it is? Somewhere else there is a review. Reviews. What is this now? Reviews. What is the type? Giving you error. Come on, somewhere else there is a meaning called what? 3.0M. If you go on seeing that 3.0M, you want to find out that 3.0M where it is available? I will find out that also. Where is that? I will find out. Is equal to 3.0M. 3.0M double equal to 3.0M. 3.0M. DF of you just say. Here you are having what? Review. Where it is? You see review of what? 3.0M. What is this? Life made Wi-Fi. Touch screen photo frame. Exactly. Life made Wi-Fi. Touch screen. Because you are busy with phones only. This many reviews are there. This M is giving you which error? Value error. That I want to replace 3.0 with what? 3.0. Did you understand? Yes, go there. What I will do today? What I will do? Go for what? Replace. How do you replace? Go for what? Dot replace. There is a function name I am applying. Here 3.0 gives you Boolean array. Pass it to that entire thing. Now go for what? Replace. How do you do that? Replace 3.0M value with 3.0 with replace of data frame. DF of review dot replace of this data. Are you following? And gets the replaced modify with what? DF of review. How do you do that? Replace that value or not? Replace the data. You replace it and put the data back to where? Review. Shall I do that now? Go. I will keep it here. Online students, I hope you are following me. So take it what? Dot replace. DF of D review. 3.0M replaced with what? 3.0. Keep the modified data in where? Review itself. Now see, it is reviews, reviews, reviews. Done. Done. You print this data. What is this now? Here. Here. There was no such data found now. There is no such data found now because I modified now. Yes, what is that? 3.0. Now you will get it. Now 3.0 modified or not? Yes. Got it? Now you convert. Which type I am converting? Float type. Float type you convert. Yes. Now you say, what is this now? D type. Still it is O only. Still it is O only. Now convert into what? As a type. As a type you take it. So go to the back to our application. As type what? Here I wrote it. Now again convert a D type of 0 to which type? As a type. As a type you convert it. After doing that, you replace back. You replace back. How do you do that replace back? Df dot review dot as type of what? Float. That float value keep it in where itself? Review. Got it? Yes. Go back and keep it here. And now see, here I am writing done. Okay. Reviews. Reviews. Done. It is also one thing good because when you copy paste my sentences, it will give error. At least you will be careful in doing that. So here I don't do changes. Let it be. You will get error. So you will look carefully. So let it be reviews I am writing and see. Now check it out. Shall I check it out? So this is of course D type I wrote it. Now carry on this part and say what is the D type? What is the D type? Float 64. Now it is suitable to apply which concept? Mean. Now you apply. What is this now? Find this concept I will write it. Now I got it. Find the average meaning of this. See that much. Average value of review. So AV is equal to, now I am writing print of, now I will say this entire thing. So here I am writing the average value of reviews is equal to, I am writing here called what? AV. So I am getting Ma? Dot mean, yes, exactly. Dot mean of. Dot mean of. So you are getting what? This is an average rating of over 3 million. So many reviews are there. Are you able to follow? These are all for what? All apps. These are all apps. Dating related apps, lifestyle, comics related app, particular app, average rating also you can get it. Understand? Yes. Go to next 12th. 12th. What is the 12th? Find the total number of free and paid apps. Find the total number of free and paid apps. Very simple. Let us go for total number of apps. Which column? Doubt. So type. App name is, column name is, come on, df dot what? Take our things. What is that now? Type. How do you get it? df dot what? What is this? Type. df dot what? Type. I will write a type. So type. Free like this you are getting. You check it out. Anything is called what? Paid. Anything is paid is there, we will check it out. Double equal to, okay. So double equal to you say paid. Something is there. Paid is also something is there. Right or not? Yes. Print of what? df dot. df dot. Are you following this? Something is there. What is this type? Paid. Something is there or not? Now you say something like what here? Free. So here free. So something is available. Smaller. Okay. So I will write it what? Free. So F I will write it. Free. So it is not there. So maybe something I replaced it or what. So go to this place. Here I will go for getting. Go to the Excel sheet. Because earlier I just replaced. Because of some sentence it was replaced it. Did you remember that? What you do is, because of I made single equal to, I wrote it. I wrote single equal to, that was replaced. So what I will do is, I'll get my data once again back. I'll get my data once again back. Get this data once again back, so that I will reconstruct my application. Nothing is difficult here. So reconstruct your application. Done. Now after reconstructing, say what? My question you carry. My question you carry. What is my question? Find the total number of apps. What is that now? df of type is equal to what? Free. df of what? df of, are you following? df of free coming or not? Yes, earlier it was replaced. That's the main point there. Are you following? So here there is a type. Where is the type? Free is there, right or not? And now if you want paid, paid also will be there. Paid also will be there. Type of paid is coming. Are you following me? Tell me now, how do you find out? Come on guys, 12th part, analyze. What is the analysis? Find the number of columns. Okay, got it. What is that now? Find the existing type column. It is containing, some of them are paid are there. Some of them are what? Free are there. Now go for what? Type of what? Gives you the type of what? Column. Get the number of what? Free and paid apps by Google Play Store. What is that now? Value counts. Come on guys. Value counts. Already we used it. Even I got one day count value something, I got an error. Got or not? That is, what is the function name? Value count. Gives what? Result. So I will apply here this part. So here I will get it. Find the total number of free and paid apps, total number of things. So which are going to come? So here what is coming? Free apps are this many, paid apps are this many. Are you getting? Free apps are this many, paid apps are this many, and a zero. Say there is one application name, there is something is called zero. They're not paid, not free, that is one is there. I hope you are following. This is total number of application. This is also, if you see in the Excel sheet, 10,840 something is there. Are you following me? Value counts that will be obtained here. Go to the 13th now. Find which app has what? Maximum review. Which app is having maximum review? Come on, fast. Find the column names on working. Which one? Review. Next, get what? Review values. Yes, review values, you know how to get it. What are you applying? Max. Max. That I will take it. That I will take it. Here I am applying. Get that part. Here I will carry on. This step, you know, anyhow you can do. This step also, you know how to get it. I will write it here. Reviews, I will take it. All the reviews are coming. 159 reviews, 967 reviews, 87,000 reviews, 2 lakhs reviews, 3 lakhs 98,000 reviews. So many reviews. Now I will get it what? Max. I will get the max. I will get the max here. Get the max. Reviews dot max. You are getting max. This is something like this. So reviews, these are all called reviews. 9992. What is that app name also we'll see. What is this column is coming? Review app. We'll see that. Review dot max. We will compare with what? Get the app details in Boolean array. Whatever the max is there, compare with what? All the reviews. So compare with all the reviews. So now you are going to get it. Compare with all the reviews. You are going to get what? Reviews. Reviews. And say this now. We are getting so many of them are false. In middle of dot dot dot, maybe some true is there. Let us, what you will write it? Off. You will write it. So you are going to get it what? One thing is there. What is this now? Sports. Sports. What is that? Reviews. Right. Size is something. Installs. And review is something here. What is the question here? Find the app which has maximum reviews. Next, after that, what are you doing? df dot remove of max. Compared with what? Review of that. And you are going to get it. Max with comparison of that. And getting what name? App name. You try to get it. So you are supposed to get Facebook is an answer, but you are getting some name is coming. Yes. Reviews, you take it. So the app name we are going to get it is like this we are getting. So try to find out. In my case, we are getting this value. So here, Facebook is the one. Facebook is the one. I got it when I was worked on in my laptop. Which app has maximum review? Review. So first we see 1 minute, ma'am. That's what I'm checking. Reviews dot what? Reviews dot what? D type. Reviews dot D type. Which is what type? Object type. Convert into what? Come on. As 1 minute, 1 minute. As type of what? Int. As type of what? Int. You are going to get it what? Error is coming because there is one thing called what? 3.0 M. 3.0 M. Go to that 3.0 M. Try to find out that who is that 3.0 M. Go for what? Directly 3.0 M. 3.0 M. Capital A? Yes. So pass it to whom? df of that. df of that. You are getting this kind of thing. So this is coming like this. Replace with what? 3.0. How do you do this now? Dot what? Replace of what? 3.0 M, comma what? 3.0 or 3. No problem. Or 3 or 3.0. No problem. 3.0. Reviews. This one. Done. First df I will remove. First df I will remove. I will place it there. Okay. So here I will write it. This is done. Are you following? Yes. Now you say What are you doing? Df dot what? Remove. Dot what? Max. So you will get it. So you are going to get it. What is this now? Once again, there is something not converted now. Not converted. Not converted. To what? Is equal to df dot reviews dot as type as what? Float or int. Float, I will write it. Float. Now you say what? Here I say what? Max. Dot what? Max. Dot max. Reviews of square bracket. Max of. So this is the data I got it. Now I will find what? App name. So app name I will get it. App. So now I am getting. Yes. df of, you say this. This one, you say this. Yes. This max with what? df of what? df of what? Reviews. Of what? App I will write it. That is called Facebook. Are you following me? That is the one. Whose number is what? 2544. What is the 2544? App number 2544. Somewhere else there is a 25525. There is a number called what? 2525. 2544. 2544. 2544 is what? 2544. Maybe it is reducing. App name is called what? 19. Maybe some nans also will be there or not? Some nans also will be there. Some nan will be there. That is ignoring and giving you what answer finally? Facebook is a maximum reviews are having. Are you following? So this one, and by seeing that indexes, some nans also will be there. Nans is not necessary to consider. Okay, got it. Go to the next question. Online students. Now go to the next one. Find top 5 apps. Top 5 app names having highest reviews. Top 5 highest reviews. There, that is nothing but highest reviews means what you will apply? Columns, reviews, sort the reviews, and sort the reviews. Ascending is equal to false. And head you write it. Top 5 will come. Descending you say, you apply what last? Head of you write it. Index you get it. ILOC you pass it. Because time is also up. Next class can I show? Because it is a more kind is there. More length is there. Next is also there. Find the rating of free and paid apps. There also will be there. And 16th also there. Find the maximum number of installs also will be there. This I will tell you in the next one. I will post it as this. You work on it, you will get it. Are you following me? So easy or difficult? Easy. So I said up to few things here. Maximum reviews only I said. 14, 15, 16 in the next class we will see. Okay now? So I'll post the same thing with a data set and all. Advanced happy Holi. Okay. So, sir, next which topic you will discuss, sir? Satya Gopal. Suspense, that is. So please tell how to get information from Google Play Store. First, I will tell you Google Play Store data as it is I will send. Next, I will tell you one more source for you to get the data sets. Source for you to get the data sets. Okay now? So, Mayur, sir, Monday class or not? Monday, what is that? So, Holi Gili is not there. You celebrate Holi and come to the class. After the class, you celebrate Holi. You celebrate Holi, jolly, everything you celebrate after the class. Monday class, I'll tell you some special points, which is more than today. Monday class is there. If you don't come, it is your what I can do. Class is there, students. Thank you. All the best.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Line. Am I audible, students? Is my voice is clear, online students? Is my voice is coming to everybody? Oh, okay. Now, Indusha, ask me the doubt, ma.
Good morning, sir. Can you hear my voice, sir?
Tell me, ma.
Sir, in question number 13, I have a small doubt, sir. So, df of reviews dot max of
Yeah. That,
uh,
that value, you are comparing with every app review to pick up the review to pick up the app name.
oh,
You are comparing the maximum review with every app review to pick up the app name. Are you getting?
okay, sir. Okay, sir. I
I
got it
hope you
now.
got, ma.
I got it, sir. అదే నాకు అర్థం అవ్వలేదు సార్. ఎందుకు ఆ మాక్సిమం రివ్యూ వాల్యూని ఎవ్రీ రివ్యూ వాల్యూతో ఎందుకు కంపేర్ చేశారో ఇందాక అర్థం అవ్వలేదు సార్.
ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా?
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే మా.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
నెక్స్ట్ Sai Kumar.
Hello.
Sai Kumar, tell me.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Morning, ma.
Having doubt in 11th question, sir.
11th question. Find the average value of review.
Yes, sir. You have converted from 3M to 3, no, sir.
Yeah.
ఇప్పుడు అది ఒకవేళ హండ్రెడ్స్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్ అట్లనే ఉంటాయి ఎట్లా సార్ అప్పుడు?
అన్ని కన్వర్ట్ అవుతాయి కదా, ప్రతి ఒక్క దాన్ని అలా కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి మనం.
అంటే మాన్యువల్గా చేసుకోవాలి సార్ ఒకటి ఒకటి?
అంతే కదా మరి.
ఓకే సార్.
రైట్.
ఫైన్ సార్.
నెక్స్ట్ Saurav Sharma.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Saurav.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I have a doubt. Like after completion of project, so how can we see this project in our resume? Like we have to
just
post our GitHub.
you can keep it your link in GitHub, and you can say
Okay,
this.
so I have to. Okay, I have to make the GitHub repo.
Yes.
Right, sir. So we can also make this type of project in VS Code as well, sir.
100%. Everywhere you can do. PyCharm also you can do. Everywhere you can do it.
Okay, sir.
Better
Okay,
to do
sir.
it in Jupyter Notebook. That is always suggestible.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
right, Saurav. Lakshmana Kumar,
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
good morning, ma.
సార్ నాదో డౌట్ సార్. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఫస్ట్ హెడ్ అండ్ టైల్ ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్. హెడ్ రోస్ అండ్ టైల్ రోస్ వస్తున్నాయి సార్. మనకి మిడిల్ లో కావాలంటే ఎలాగ సార్ అది?
ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పినాను నేను క్లాస్ లో, టోటల్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యూస్ డివైడెడ్ బై 2 అని.
ఓకే సార్.
ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పిన క్లాస్ లో.
ఓకే సార్. ఇంకోసారి మన గిటాబ్ లకి మనకి రిపోజిటరీ గా మార్చుకుని ఇప్పుడు షౌరవ్ అడిగింది.
What is that?
సౌరవ్ కుమార్ అడిగారు కదా సార్. సౌరవ్ అడిగాడు కదా సార్. హలో, కెన్ యు హియర్ మీ సార్?
యా.
గిటాబ్ లోకి మనకి రిపోజిటరీలకు పెట్టుకోవాలంటే ఎలాగ సార్ అది? మన
ఏంటంటే
ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇప్పుడు షారూక్ కుమార్ అడిగాడు కదా సార్. షారూక్
మీరు రాసుకోవడమే మామూలుగా స్కిల్ సెట్ లో. ప్రాజెక్ట్ 1 డన్ అన్ అనాలిసిస్ ఫేజ్ ఆన్ గూగుల్ ప్లే స్టోర్.
ఓకే సార్.
డిస్క్రిప్షన్ రాయాలి, ఏ అప్లికేషన్ మీద ఏం చేస్తాం మనం, వి ఫైండ్ మాక్సిమం ఇన్స్టాల్స్, హైయెస్ట్ రివ్యూస్, డిస్క్రిప్షన్ రాసుకోవాలి. ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ మీరు ఏమేమి విన్నారో అదంతా డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో రాసుకోవాలి.
ఓకే సార్. అది గిట్హబ్ రిపోజిటరీ లోకి మనకి కోడ్ ఎంత?
ఆ లింక్ ఉంటది కదా, మన లింక్ ఉంటది కదా ఇక్కడ మనం జనరేట్ చేసింది. ఆ లింక్ ఇది ఉంది కదా, ఆ లింక్ పెట్టుకోవడం అంతే.
ఓకే సార్. మనకి గిట్హబ్ రిపోజిటరీ లో అది మనం పెట్టుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది
అంతే.
ఓకే సార్.
రైట్,
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే. పనికాంత్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్
సార్. అది 3.0 M తీసారు కదా సార్? అది
ఎం తీసేసారు.
M అంటే మిలియన్ కదా సార్? అంటే లైక్ హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ కదా అది. మిగతా వాటిది అలా మీరు అన్ని లాక్స్ లో థౌసండ్స్ లో నెంబర్ లో పెట్టారు. అది అంటే 3.0 అంటే మిలియన్ కదా. సో అప్పుడు అది హైయెస్ట్ రేటింగ్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్?
అంటే నేను దాని గురించి తీసుకోలేదు. నేను ఏం తీసుకున్నానంటే ఆవరేజ్ కోసం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడానికి తీసుకున్నా. అన్ని వాల్యూస్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి?
నార్మల్ డిజిట్స్ లో ఉంది.
ఫ్లోటింగ్ పాయింట్ లో ఉన్నాయి, డిజిట్స్ లో ఉన్నాయి. ఇది కూడా నేను డిజిట్ లో తీసుకున్నాను. కావాలంటే అక్కడ 3 మిలియన్స్ వాల్యూస్ నంబర్ రాసుకోవచ్చు, ఏముంది.
ఓకే. అంటే డేటాలో అలా మిలియన్స్ లాక్స్ అని వస్తుంది కదా సార్? అంటే అప్పుడు మనకి మిలియనే హైయెస్ట్ అవుతుంది కదా?
తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఆ వాల్యూ నేను ఏం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తానో మీకు ఈక్వలెంట్ టు న్యూమరికల్ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకోవడం అంతే కదా.
ఓకే. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Okay students, take care and don't miss the class tomorrow. Monday, very important.